Working with pre-built dashboards. TaxDome offers ready-made reporting dashboards to get you quickly started and to save you loads of time overall. Gain insights into your team's output, efficiency, and deliverables instantly. No preliminary setup is needed. To find the pre-built dashboards, go to the reporting section and open the dashboards page. There, you will see the time utilization boards, capacity planning, tasks and job assignments, and revenue monitor. Tasks and jobs assignments help you track all tasks assigned to your team and to answer how is the staff performing. The reports covered here are tasks completed weekly, tasks completed by assignee, tasks completed monthly, planned and done work, which are all self-explanatory. The Revenue Monitor assists in revenue tracking, providing reports on both paid and unpaid revenue, sorted by various criteria. It can help you to answer questions like which customers and services drive revenue, or which clients owe you money. And you will see several reports like paid revenue for the last 3 months, unpaid revenue for the same amount of time, paid revenue by customer, paid revenue by service, the total paid revenue for the last 3 months, sorted by services, and much more. The Time Variance Dashboard helps compare the job time budget with the actual time spent. It helps you answer the questions: was the planning accurate? What can I do to improve the estimations or align the actual time spent with them? Within this dashboard, you can explore various metrics related to time variance. Time variance by account, which shows job budget-related metrics for each client account and their total invoice amount. It shows whether there are significant differences in time variance across different clients. You will also find time variance by assignee, which shows whether any of your team members regularly exceed the allocated time budget. Lastly, you can see time variance by pipeline. This view highlights whether any of your workflows are consistently misaligned with the planned job budget, helping you identify areas where planning may be inaccurate. The Time Utilization Dashboard helps you to track your team loads based on the time tracker metrics, and to answer the question, do we bill enough to cover costs? Here, you will see the smallest utilization rates of team members over the last 3 months, utilization rate and total hours by week, the employee utilization rate for each team member, including metrics like time entry duration, billable hours, and revenue per hour over the last 3 months, and more. You can filter all the information displayed in the reports by using the filter lists at the top of the page. Use the pencil icon on the top of the page to edit the layout of your dashboard. However, you can only edit copies of the pre-built dashboards and not the originals. You can delete reports, add tabs, and more. The 3 dots enable you to rename, make a copy, download as a PDF, present show dashboard details, and delete the dashboard. The tabs allow you to save different reports in the same dashboard with different information. The Team Capacity Dashboard is designed to optimize workload planning and improve efficiency across your team. It provides a clear overview of each team member's weekly capacity, total hours tracked, and remaining availability. This allows you to assess and distribute tasks more effectively. This dashboard can help you quickly identify who has capacity to take on more tasks and use tracked and available hours to prevent overloading team members.